Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Vina Vies and I'm back with another lit video. So as you guys see, I'm barefaced and I'm going to take it from this to this. Get into it. If you guys are feeling this look, then keep on watching.
Don't spend your whole life waiting for a single dream. There's a shorter way to have fun, beating right in me. There's a whole new world you can breathe in. Whenever you're ready, reaching the stars, taking on this way. They stood in line to see us fall in love. The sun and moon will share this night. Now tell me, isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Say yeah.
So as you guys all know, I always like to start with priming my face with Milk and Magnesia. I swear I haven't found a primer better than this. And then I go on and do my brows. Now I do have a different brow routine, but it does take a little bit longer. So if you guys would like to see how I transform my brows, then make sure you put that in the comments section and I'll be dropping that video for you guys. Okay, so this video is about the lid, so let's just get into it. So I'm going to add some translucent powder on that concealer that I have applied all over my lid, because the concealer is going to serve as my base. And the translucent powder is just setting that concealer in so it doesn't move or shift. So here you see me applying my transition color, which is this brown from the Saharan palette from Juvia's place. I'm just applying it in a swipe motion from outer to inner. And this is serving as my transition color from my brows to the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going in with the gold palette, and I'm going to take that dark brown, the darkest color in there, and I'm going to use that as my defining color, so my outer edge, with the same brush. And what this does is just give the eyelid a little bit more definition and a better transition from what I'm going to put on my lid color. Do you see that already? So now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer to the back of my hand, and using a flat brush, I'm gonna use it to apply that to my lid. And I'm gonna slow the video down a little bit just so that you guys can see exactly how I apply it on. And there goes dancing. Or a little dancing machine. So I'm just using that concealer and I'm swiping it on the bottom of my lid, being very careful. This is not the easiest process, but hey, once you apply the lid color, it will just blend right in. Trust and believe. And I don't want a huge lid. I just want this look to be very subtle, because this is more so of a nighttime look, and I didn't want to have too much going on, because you know some people just be ODing. Y'all, it was really a struggle for me to put that concealer on, but I made it work. And this is also a very easy and basic tutorial for people that aren't used to using eyeshadows. It's very user friendly. So now I'm going to take some of my HD Cosmetics banana powder and set that concealer color so that the concealer doesn't move when I apply the next color to my lid.
Sleeping by myself with no one to hold, and I think
using the same brush, I'm just like patting it on.
someone who takes me to dinner and wine and kisses me every night. I just want to
Pat, swipe, pat, swipe. It's all in the technique. You really want to take your time doing this, because if you don't, it's going to end up being all over your lid because the powder is so loose. So just take your time, pat it on, and swipe. Pat, swipe. But don't pat, swipe hard. Just pat, swipe.
tell me, what do you feel? Is it something inside of you that wants to be free?
I'm going back into the Warrior palette. Sorry guys. And I'm going in with the color I'll see. I'll just list it here. I just hope I'm saying it right. And just pat it on top of that concealer that I just put on my eye.
Somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that.
So now I'm just gonna go in with my eyeliner, and guys, it takes me a while to put on eyeliner correctly. So if you guys want to see a detailed video on how I do that as well, make sure that you put it in the comment section. And guys, when I tell you I haven't done makeup in so long because of quarantine, I didn't have any eyeliner, so I had to use a pencil. My eyeliner was dry. So once I apply my eyeliner, I go ahead and complete the rest of my face using my basic foundation routine. If you want to see how I do that, I would insert a card here. So once that's done, I go from this to this. Okay, get into it. Hold on, I ain't done yet. Hold on. Bam. Now tell me you guys aren't feeling this look. So yeah, guys, this is my Valentine's dinner look. Get into it, get into it, get into it. Okay. Check out the melanin. Now this is how you celebrate Valentine's Day. Okay. Get into it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe. Until next time, guys. Go get your iPad. Go get your iPad.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't